NIMORETIO GUKORWO MUHARI wa MBERE harĩ gwetha njĩra cia kũrigĩrĩria ũgarũrũku wa rĩera thĩinĩ wa matũra marĩa o makoragwo magĩikara. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ĩheanĩtwo nĩ anyiti itemi sector-inĩ ya rũhonge rwa rĩera hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio wa gatandatũ wa maũndũ megemainie na rĩera gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Yeah, communities that live in ASAL areas or arid and semi-arid areas face multiple challenges which are further increased by climate change issues. So the lack of water is one of them. You see most of them walking very long distances to be able to have access to water. We see many of them suffering issues of drought, and in some cases again when the rains come we see them being victims of floods. We saw recently in northern Kenya when we had floods last year. It was just happening immediately after they had experienced drought, and the drought has become very frequent. So climate change is there to make actually their lives very difficult. Yeah. And one thing we do is to ensure that we put our members in a position to be able to understand the reason why we have to prioritize climate change interventions, both from a personal level, household level, to a community level and a government position. So what we do, we build capacity in terms of the dynamics of climate change, having that understanding, and as well as putting them in a position that they can advocate. So being an advocacy institution, we are very keen to build the capacity of the communities to be able to influence policy from county government position to national government position, and even at the international level, because we are very keen in terms of following policy actions at the international level.
Na tukiri o maũndũ-inĩ megemainie na kũgarũrũka kwa rĩera, nĩrona arĩithi a mahiũ nao kuma thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Tana River nĩ mahĩmbĩirie ũrĩmi na nĩ thutha wa ũgarũrũku wa rĩera